Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Elisha. Today I'm going to do another hair video, except we are going to be doing a review slash style on Betterlength hair. This is a company that sells clip-ins, natural hair clip-ins. So for my natural hair sisters, if you're looking for some hair that matches your hair texture, or you want to change up your hair texture, you can do that too. They have clip-ins. This video is not sponsored. I mean, hopefully one day they hit me up, but this video is not sponsored, so this will be an honest review. And I'll go ahead and take that out. It's really soft. It smells like fake hair. It's really soft, super curly. They do say to wash it after you take it out the pack, and they say wash it before you take it, before you take the little bands off. It says wash it all together just like this. Oh, it comes with a few extra clips, some thread and needle, which is great. That's really cool. And they do have an Instagram page at Betterlength. Yeah, they do have an Instagram page. You can look them up at Betterlength and kind of check out some other styles that people have done. And this is 100% virgin human hair. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get this washed. Alright guys, I'm back. I just got done washing the clip-ins, washing and conditioning, and it is, the definition in this hair is crazy. And as soon as I put the shampoo in it, fingers go straight through it. Like, this hair is so soft, no tangling really, minimal shedding. You guys will see that in the video. Yeah, this hair is amazing. It's really soft. As of now, I give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna go ahead and install this in my hair and see how it holds up. If you guys do want to see me install this in my hair, go ahead and check out part 2 of this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Remember, I am doing a thing right now where you guys can send me pictures of hairstyles, videos of hairstyles. You can send it to my Instagram DMs. You can comment it under the comment box of this video. However you want to send it is fine. I have all my social medias linked in the description, as well as having my social medias in my outro. Whatever you guys want to see me try on my hair, go ahead and send it to me and I'll be happy to try it out. And I'm always looking for new hairstyles to try anyway, so I think that'll be great. Again, that's it for this video. This is just kind of an unboxing / review, first impressions kind of video. If you guys do want to see me install this hair into my hair, go ahead and click on my next video. See you guys in my next video.
Shut up and listen, stick to your vision, map out your plan, you know. Don't let them take your glow, beware of the haters. Say I'm money maker, say I'm money maker. Better make that paper.